partner! Welcome to our channel, The Hungry Partner. Are you hungry? On this video, we will cook Lumpiang Shanghai Tofu or spring roll tofu. Instead of traditional meat in lumpia, we will use tofu as an alternative of meat. And of course, we also have sweet and sour sauce on this video. If you're interested, keep on watching. The Hungry Partner. We usually see lumpia on different occasions such as birthday, festival, anniversary, etc. It's always present in every celebration. It's part of every menu or dish of every Filipino family. What do you think is in lumpia? Why everyone is looking for it? If you know why, go ahead and put a comment below. So let's start with the ingredients of the Lumpiang Shanghai Tofu. First of all, we need a tofu, a big block of tofu. We also need an egg, and of course a carrot, 2 onions, 5 cloves of garlic. We also have a celery, and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Of course, we also have salt and pepper to taste. And last but not least, the Lumpiang Shanghai wrapper. Alright partners, let's begin on slicing onions to small pieces. Next is our garlic. Let's peel it off by crushing the garlic. And after that, it'll be easier for us to mince the garlic. Next is celery. Let's just chop it to small pieces. Make sure you wash the celery thoroughly. We all know it has soil on it. By the way, you can also use spring onions. It's up to you, partner. Now let's move on to the next step. Here's the carrot, so let's peel it up. Cut these small parts and grate it. And of course, our main ingredient. It's tofu time. Let's mash it or crumple it using our hand. By the way, did you know that tofu is a cholesterol-free, low-calorie, high-protein food that's also rich in bone-boosting calcium and manganese? Tofu may help you lose weight by keeping you fuller for longer on fewer calories than meat. Tofu can do wonders for your skin as well. The protein content in tofu enhances the elasticity of skin, tones, facial muscles, and slows down its aging. But there's more. So watch out on our next video having tofu since it's our favorite. After that, it's cooking time. Of course, let's put cooking oil on the pan and let's saute garlic and onion. We usually put the onion first to prevent garlic from burning fast, while others put the garlic first because the oil splash when they put the onion first, because onion have higher water content than garlic. How about you, partner? Which one's first? Once you saw that the onion is whiter and it smells yummy, it's time to add garlic. Let's wait until it'll become slightly brown and then we can add or put the tofu. Now let's add the tofu. We will fry these to have the crispiness and crunchiness of tofu. Let's mix it well and wait for this to dry. Ta-da! We can now put the carrots and wait for around 5 minutes. It's done! Time to put it on a mixing bowl to add the remaining ingredients. By the way, our next video is about snacks. It's one of the most favorite merienda of Filipinos because it's easy to cook. And it is the pancit sotanghon gisado. So stay tuned! So here are the remaining ingredients. First, let's have celery. Then the oyster sauce. Mix it well. And let's add salt and pepper to taste. And of course, the one and only egg. And again, mix it well. This is the most difficult part. Time to wrap it in the lumpia wrapper. So let's roll it twice and fold the left and right side. And roll it again and brush water on the last part for it to be sticky. By the way, how are you, partner? If you were enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for us to be inspired on creating more videos and for you to be notified once we have a new one. All wrapped! Time to fry them using an air fryer. We will use the air fryer instead of deep frying, having a lot of oil. On the air fryer, we just need to either brush oil or spray oil. For the lumpiang Shanghai, we need to preheat the air fryer first by 200 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Now let's put the lumpiang Shanghai in the air fryer and brush some oil on them. Then let's set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Yup, we will wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's flip the lumpiang Shanghai and brush oil. Be careful because it's hot. After that, let's set the air fryer to again 180 degrees Celsius, but this time for 5 minutes. And of course, we will wait for 5 minutes. Almost done. Are you excited? Ta-da!
Wow!
Well cooked and well fried.
Whoa.
Thanks, air fryer. Now time to cook the sweet and sour sauce. So we need a tablespoon of cornstarch, 3/4 cup of water to mix on all of the remaining ingredients, and 1/4 cup of water to dilute the cornstarch. Of course, we need 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, either banana or tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar if you use tomato ketchup, and 3 tablespoons of vinegar if you use banana ketchup. Last but not least, we added the chili just to make it slightly spicy. So first, let's dilute the cornstarch. Then melt the sugar with the water and with low fire or a low heat. And let's add the vinegar. And the ketchup. Make sure to mix it well. Also, let's add the diluted cornstarch while mixing. Again, mix it well until it boiled. Ta-da! It's boiling. We can now add the chili. And wait for around 5 minutes. It's done! Yummy sauce it is! Time to prepare it, including the Lumpiang Shanghai Tofu for the taste test. Ooh, crunchy! Go ahead and try it! Oh yeah, you also want the sweet and spicy sauce. Sure. Here, partner, this one's for you. My turn. Crunchy. Love it. I hope you enjoyed this video, partner. If yes, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Sarap, grabe. Apa? Try nyo kayo. Ang sarap ha.
Ganun pa.
Ang sarap.